YouTubers, welcome back to the Spongebob book reading series. The full chapter book series, mind you. Yeah, chapter book number 7. I don't have a lot of time to fool around with this, as something is starting at 11:10, so we're kind of pressed for time. Chapter 1. Another day, another juicy, mouth-watering, boiled Krabby Patty. Normally, such a sight would make Sunday Squarepants beam with pride. Today, all he could do was sigh as he gazed at the placed down at the Simo Patty grilling on top of the Simo crispy grill. That's it. That cook at the famous Krusty Krab fast food restaurant would not spend most of his time behind the stove frying delicious meals for infinite inhabitants of Bikini Bottom. And what did he get in return? William weighs in a 10% employee discount. Taking a spatula, he pressed one piece down with a sizzle. Until recently, that sounded me. His heart filled with joy. Roswendo took his job very seriously. But not today. Hey, this is all sounded like work. Boring old job, boring old life. Rondo's eyes lids tripled. He yawned, then began to hum and say this one pipe to him while trying to keep himself awake. His mind wandered, and he thought of a life outside of the kitchen to cut scrap. A life free of Krabby Patties and responsibilities. Rondo looked around the ship-shaped kitchen to cut scrap. The stare fell on a single porthole that revealed the green great sea outside. Rondo's mind watered. He could choose any path he wished, after all. This was his daydream. His mind started to drift. Then stopped. Ding! Time went off. Time to turn the Krabby Patties before they burn on the grill. Rondo flipped the first patty upward, twist of his wrist, and tasty shapes and spun like a top. When he made air over the grill. Then before his eyes, the same patty magically changed to a light purple pink jellyfish. The fish hovered, buzzed, and wagged his many tentacles sundown. On the way back, after trying the triangle loops, the jellyfish swam towards the open porthole, then disappeared into the great green beyond the ocean. A chant of joy and Spongebob echoed through out the kitchen. Who is that? Spongebob asked, and sticking out the faces. Where are you? Pop, 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 poppity pop, 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 pop. Spongebob looked down his grill. Disbelief at each of the remaining patties ended up and turned into jellyfish. The kitchen was soon filled with their buzzing sounds. The massive jellyfish bobbed and weaved with vibration as they swam around and struck Spongebob. Then one by one they zipped through the porthole and Spongebob was home again. I wish, Spongebob said. I wish I were a jellyfish. Then Spongebob began to rise from the floor of the kitchen, his skinny legs dangling beneath his square pants as they floated past the refrigerator. He drifted, turned a full somersault, then dove with the porthole after his friends. Spongebob was no more. He was now Jellybob. Follow me, I know the way, Jellybob said to the group. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Jellybob closed his eyes. Drifting to and fro as the curtain carried him merrily along. Straight out, Spongebob, buzz, Spongebob! Jellybob frowned and closed his eyes tighter. Oh dear, interrupted his patrol of jellyfish fields. Spongebob, wake up, boy! Scratch cried. Huh? Spongebob asked as he opened his eyes. The jellyfish fields had vanished along with all the jellyfish. Ready clutching his back. As well as the sea reeds was gone. Hey, Spider Sven, look in the air! Accept him, boy! Scrap snapped. You bring me money! Spongebob looked at the grill and found it covered not in credit eyes but in red, yellow flames. The black patties turned into white tips. Chapter 2. Ah! Spongebob screamed, taking the side of the grill in flames. Holding his arms up in the paddock. Spongebob fled to safety, hiding behind Mr. Krabs' rainbow back. His jellyfish fantasy was not forgotten and replaced with the hot reality of forlorn fire. Mr. Krabs, what do we do? Spongebob asked. What do you mean, we? This is your show, Spongebob. Mr. Krabs replied, grabbing a fire extinguisher off the wall and handing it to his employee. Here, use this. And now he hit the canister over his head with a gun. Over the torso grill. Clunk. The extinguisher bounced off the stove. Poor Mr. Krabs scolded Spongebob. Fire took on a new life, interrupting across the top of the stove and covering the counters with hot flames. With a whoosh, the blaze spread, flying in size and power. In 100 seconds, the scene had gone from being a simple grease fire to a major inferno. The intensity of the flames caused Mr. Krabs to echo in the sweat even across the kitchen. Hot! 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 Mr. Krabs shouted. Oh, but I hate the fire. Makes me out of shell feel extra crunchy. Spongebob looked upon the scene in horror. As the walls began to catch on fire from the blazing grill, pieces of the tight, crusty crab burning to the ground, flashed with Spongebob's fevered brain. As Spongebob toasted the restaurant, Mr. Krabs would fire him for sure. One thing was for sure, Spongebob was no longer bored on the job. This is my fault. Enough said as he hitched up his square pants. There's a determined glee in his eye. I'll take care of the problem. And now been approached the blazing grill. Taking a deep breath, he began to huff and puff in an effort to blow out the fire. However, instead of blowing out the flames, Zippers only fanned them into a brighter bonfire. That's not working, Spongebob, Scraps called. I got before you get cooked yourself. Must stop fire, Spongebob panted, having puffing even harder. Can I get it? One of the fries and the Jacka Street to get a little holy smoke, the voice said. And Scraps spun around the fireman hanging in the doorway of the kitchen. The kitchen's closed. I'll give you a 10% discount coupon if you put out the blaze, as Scraps said. Deal, that's my hose. Fireman agreed. They sent out of the blazing kitchen. Stand back, Spongebob. And Scraps called, help is on the way. Splush! The splash of water shot out towards the burning kitchen. And Spongebob was standing in the way. They spun to see what was going on. He got the water right in his mouth. Gulp, bloop, Spongebob gargled. A splash of the hose blasted more and more water into Spongobob's mouth. His head began to grow. More water the fireman sprayed. The more Spongebob's head puffed up like a water balloon in the carnival game. Move out of the way! Mr. Krabs called. You're still getting up out the water. And now began to hobble on his feet. Splat! He splashed heavily in the burning stovetop with a low hiss. Swept by in ghosts of flames. But we would need a good airing out and fresh wallpaper. The kitchen was saved. Hooray! The fireman called. Your discount coupon, Mr. Krabs announced, giving the fireman a certificate, eating in good health. Fireman rolled up his holes. Mr. Krabs stepped over his window. He was still flat on his back under a nail cool grill. And his head had returned to normal size, even although he was covered from head to foot with the burnt crappy patties. Mr. Krabs cracked his claws and picked up Spongobob's dropped spatula and listened until scared his slightly dazed employee off the range. Lined up! Mr. Krabs announced as he flipped the spatula over one shoulder. Come into me office. Chapter 3. What's wrong, me boy? Scratch asked as he gazed across the top of the sheet near the desk. Doesn't like you at all. Me and burning down the place. Well, I Spongebob clamor ties dying in the office. Is it the fourth time this week I had to keep you off something? Scratch said, waving the spatula. There's still way to run the kitchen here, if I cook Spongebob. And out, close up his boss. Well, I've been thinking. Mr. Crab squished the tip of his claw to SpongeBob's forehead. We need to get you thinking about work. No thanks, Mr. Crab, SpongeBob replied, choosing his words carefully. I've been thinking about giving up my cold, industrial life. You're being bound for a more natural life among the eye fish. The crab's eyes puffed over their elongated stalks as they peeled SpongeBob. Ah, ga ga ga, da da ha. Mr. Crab laughed. Beside a red body, shaking weakly. Oh, SpongeBob, but you wouldn't even last one day in the wilds. You are what we crabs call domesticated. Come, follow me, Mr. Krabs announced. Laying on his desk and heading for the restaurant's kitchen. Arnold did as he was told, walking behind the restaurant owner. This is your natural habitat, Mr. Krabs said, spraying his eyes up and gesturing for SpongeBob to take in the entire sight. These walls, that stove, all yours. The crab strode over to the blackened grill. This is your wide open range, he announced with a flourish. And Mr. Crab led SpongeBob past the back flies cooking in grease pits. These are game waves, he said. Making his way up to his dramatic conclusion, Arnold held up Mr. Crab held up SpongeBob's spatula like a branching his sword. And this, this is your golden scepter. This is what you rule the kitchen with. Mr. Crab raked as well. Now, he said, that's better than a nasty old jellyfish, right, SpongeBob? Silence. Mr. Krabs turned to find he was alone in the kitchen. Outside the Krusty Krab turned up so they looked at the front doors of the restaurant. I too can last one more day, he muttered. I'll show them all. Now raced up and moved back to office. The official Krusty Krab captain's hat. Drew to the ground. Ah! Oh, barnacles! He cried, stomping down the street. I quit! Mr. Krabs burst through the front doors. SpongeBob, wait! He called when SpongeBob was already gone. No, he'll be back, all right, Mr. Krabs said. Yeah, until as he looked down at him, and SpongeBob's abandoned hat, he'll be back. Chapter 4. After arriving in his pineapple home, SpongeBob gathered up Arnold of his worthy possessions and walked out to the front yard. Calling his neighbors over, he began to give away everything he owned. I don't care what he wants to give me, Squidward rolled, as long as he's gone. Aim for SpongeBob. The bird held up a tentacle and waved goodbye. Squidward, SpongeBob announced, reaching into a bag. I want you to have my can opener. David took the rusty kitchen tool. The can opener wasn't even electric. But me, Squidward said, rolling his eyes sarcastically. Gee, and I thought this friendship would never pay off. Enjoy, I have no further use for such things, SpongeBob replied. Patrick Star, SpongeBob's best friend, raced over to head in line. Are you sure you want to give me this sort of mayonnaise? He babbled. What's in the empty jar to one cheek like a baby? And then spread your grin. It's all yours. Patrick put the jar down, looked up his other again. And these old phone books? Yes. Hi, buddy, quivering with emotion. No, Marcus, no! I don't have a lot of time. Cat. But you will know no friends when not being. I gave you my can opener, Squidward muttered. Oh wait, Patrick, there's one more thing I want you to have. Turned off call. They took out a long wooden box. Dipped up in the lid. Golden glow flooded everyone's eyes. Patrick was flabbergasted. It appeared that the gift within. Well, over-label. Arnab took out the prize fishing net and handed it over to Patrick. Yes, well, I doubt be doing much in the way of jellyfish hunting with the fun minute. Lifestyle, choice and all, Arnab said. Patrick gave the net a few passive swings. It's beautiful, he said. Thanks. Arnab's girlfriend. What's up? Howdy, y'all. He said, taking in. The scene of the big giveaway. Hi, Sandy. Arnab replied. Want some toothpaste? No thanks, the squirrel chuckled. What's up? You having a good ad sale? No, Sandy, I'm giving up my material possessions to live in the wild with the jellyfish, Arnab replied. Buzz, buzz. That's the life for me. Of all the crazy schemes, Sandy scolded, why do you want to live among jellyfish? They're cool to me and not too bright. Arnab reached over and patted the top of Sandy's hair helmet. That's exactly the response I would expect for someone who lives a strand of a life I once lived, he said. I'm gonna prove that I don't need all this stuff to be happy. Maybe someday you'll rise up and join me. Turning him toward his friend up, he was turns away. Goodbye, he said as he what? Actually, what's the other? Hey, fish also then. I'm not. Stop. He reached down and, one quick motion, ripped off his square pants and dropped them next to a bush. Cause I won't be needing these, he announced. I was trying to brush up on the local language. Buzz, 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 buzz. Until you watched their buzzing friend race away without his clothing. Magic said! The hard fist failed, lying to his knees and handing the down his fist. He took off his pants. Squidward said in disbelief. After this, Patrick looked over his windows. New pair of trousers. I give it a week, Sandy said, shaking her head. Chapter 5. Right up the alley. Looking across a valley filled with thousands of floating jellyfish. And one sign reading question, jellyfish fields, but nails so close. I'm home! And I whispered. I was in the one front of the sign. My mouth tried to contain himself, but he couldn't hold back his enthusiasm. I soon touched fields. He started chanting, I'm home! I'm home! I'm home! He ran up to greet the jellyfish. They zipped away, vanishing into a size large brown hive high above the fields. Brothers, sisters! Wait for me, Zendov cried, running out to the group. Buzz! 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 Zoom! The better sheep jellyfish flew on the hive, leaving it red bubbles in their wake. Okay, Buzz! Buzz! I'm here! Arnav said as he ran after them. Now let's start. Buzz! 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 Doing some jellyfish stuff. Zip! Once again, the jellyfish swam away. Arnav ran after them again, waving his spiny arms. Wait, no, I just got settled! He cried, watching them hover over a large clump of growing green seaweed. His butt-up was swarming jellyfish swung and the seaweed, grabbing up the entire plant. Minor seconds. Ah! Arnav said. Well, for us jellyfish type persons. Sign is also supply seaweed growing from the ocean floor. Arnav reached over and ripped up a clump. Buzz, 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 he said. So he plopped the seaweed into his mouth. Arnav chewed vigorously and gave a wide smile to his new kin, turning bright green from the seaweed. This is the life, he said. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I don't know what he'd been aiming at, sinking to his taste buds. Squishing beneath his teeth was a lump of cold, damp, wet seaweed and it tasted horrible. Get look Nuff said, sticking out his tongue. A lot of tattooed goo was stuck to the roof of his mouth. Gagging, he spit out the chewed seaweed Out. I use his hands to wipe away the remains of its underwater salad. Leech! Spongebob said with a shudder. Until now, next time, try another bush. He looked around for his new pals and saw the green jellyfish Scarlet and Rose, running peacefully back and forth as they drifted in unison. Buzz, night out today. Spongebob said as he stepped over and greeted the group. Like jellyfish, didn't answer. Hey, what's the buzz? Spongebob asked when the jellyfish sat down for a look out at him for a friendly shake. Hello, I'm Jellybob, and you are. And Jellyfish lighted up in technical reply, which Spongebob took and shook. Scorch, a stinging shock, arched from the stains of the tentacle to Spongobob's hand. Look, Spongobob's hand swelled to 10 times its own size and began to pulsate. Changing color back and forth from pale yellow to bright cherry red. The giant face twisted in pain, so he tried to grin at his new friend. Hey, nice to meet you too, Spongebob said. Twice trailing off his nose began to wiggle. A new smell invaded the jellyfish fields. One that Spongebob knew quite well. He muttered. He felt sounds of an greasy nut. Climbing to the top, Spongebob looked down and bite Patrick and Sandy. Farmer Johnson sitting comfortably on the red and white checkered tablecloth, having a picnic. Stuck on a plate between them was the source of the scent, another scent. And we even helping the Krabby Patties. Catching sight of Spongebob at the corner of her eyes, saying that, "Here, Patrick, have a Krabby Patty." Patrick gave Sandy a blank stare as a reply. "I'm not seeing it, Patrick," she whispered. "That's Kitty, say your name." Patrick took out the script Sandy read. "Why, thank you, Sandy. I would love one," he read in a stiff voice. "That's terrible," Sandy whispered, trying to look in the sponge the whisk. Puts a knife into it. The thick patty. Patrick said. No, Sandy groaned. That's one of the stage directions. Nobody does. Patrick drained the videos. Eyes on tears. Toothbrush, Spongebob isn't here. These are his favorites. What? So when she come home, take bite. That's another stage direction Sandy has. I can't do it, Patrick wailed, tossing the script over his head, spinning the face on Bob. Bob, come home! Chapter 6. Spongebob looked down from the top of the greasy nut at Sandy Patrick. He found across his arms defiance. Patrick, I am not coming back, he said. The wide open space the wild is where I live now. But I miss you, Patrick cried. I miss you, let's. Sandy gave a small wave. Patrick pointed at the squirrel. See, Sandy misses you too. Yeah, he's my pet snail. Pulled his eyes up him. Fled the picnic wagon. Meow. He said, waking back Patrick's voice. Look, look. Patrick said, snatching up the snail and leaning towards Spongebob. Even Gary misses you. I'm happy here. This is my new home, Spongebob said, turning to see him walking away. Now, please, leave me alone. Goodbye. No! Patrick screamed. He missed the ground with his fist. He looked down at Patrick. There's no use. We'll try again later, she said. Come on, let's go. Patrick wasn't listening. He continued to call for his friend. Spongebob! Patrick bellowed. I'm not giving up on you, buddy. You'll see. And he tried them again, though. Long walk past the female. Those two deserve. One another, she muttered. Meanwhile, back in the midst of dry fish fields, Spongebob wasn't getting attempted upon with a pack of invertebrates. Hey, everybody, I'm back, he said happily, making his long legs and arms like tentacles. Check me out. I think I'm getting the hang of this. In response, the dry fish scattered in all directions, leaving behind a droopy and disappointed Spongebob. How was he going to make a connection? Whoosh! Water turned past Spongebob's cheek. So net rain missed up and down his head. He spun to find a glazed Patrick staring him in the face. Hello, Patrick said. He had given up on asking Spongebob to return. With the help of all the eyeballs, facing that Spongebob had once given him. Patrick was taking medicine to his own hands. Patrick, what are you doing? Spongebob asked he slowly inched away. I can't have you as a friend. I'm gonna make you into a trophy. I Fish replied. He held up a glass specimen jar. It was Spongebob. Red. See? I even adapt this nice jar for you. Patrick, go home. I'm a jellyfish now, Spongebob cried. Patrick whimpered and bit his lip. So he chewed up and screwed up the lid of the jar. Holding out the Spongebob, he just stood for the sponge to climb inside. Go on, get in here. I don't think so, Patrick, Spongebob said. Fine, Patrick snorted, tossing the jar over the shoulder. Made his chest with it, spicily. This. Grabbed up a wood eyeball and now reached the mighty work like the warrior's swordfish clan. He bellowed. He's one in it. And up dodged and turned tail and ran across Ricky's shoes with Graham. Reaching for colors, Spongebob spied a hiding place. And up behind a rush blue rock and wiped the straw. It was safe. Until the rock exploded ice. Me out once and slowly cooled away. Underground. It was just his luck to use train sails in a hiding place. I can see you there, Patrick called. Undub ran to his feet and ran over to Coral Cluster. I can still see you, Patrick said. Thinking on Lord Sea was run up headache. Third time. There's no stopping his pursuer. You're gonna look good at my mental. I need. You're now non-reliable. You're nearly knitting a spongy prey. Hands forever, Spongebob. I'm now plunged from high place to high place, but could not shake Antics lost determination to capture him. Silly kept the lead over the lower starfish. To vape, tossed a pebble on his path and caused him to trip. I never rolled over to find Patrick standing over in triumph. The starfish was thrilling over the table with both hands. I got you now, Spongebob, he said with a giggle. I got you now. Ugh. Alright, chapter 7. What happens next? Ugh. Nowhere left to go, Spongebob gasped as he placed himself a catcher. Then the sponge slowly sank away. Climbing up the last reserve of the string, turned up, lost the net, and left upward towards the hanging of it a jellyfish. Flump! And now plunged it first into the hive. So tight fit, but with some strain, he's able to hold up safely within. Hello, Patrick gasped in shock. Then he got mad, stumbling straight and shaking his fist, and now secured Spongebob. There was no way the trophy starfish would ever fit into the hive. But he couldn't even jump high enough to try. Again and again, Spongebob. Again and again, Patrick leapt up and swung his head. The hive made it safely out of his reach. Okay, so this is the way it's gonna be, huh? He called out Spongebob. I hope you're happy. Patrick broke a label over his knee and stumped away. Spongebob watched Patrick leave. Well, that's over with, he said with relief. Now back to jellyfish vanished. And then the brain started to get into the eye. A black but light purple jelly drip. Down from the ceiling and landed on the tip of his nose. And up lips to go. Jelly, he said. The jelly smelled delicious. He was very hungry, sweet. Stuck his finger into the goo and gave it a taste. Yum! And up Olander and began to shovel the jelly into his mouth and felt fancy as he gobbled up the Google. Its face and hands were coated with a sticky purple film. Then he heard a familiar buzz. Ah! My jellyfish ran in a... Buzz! Buzz, returning, Spongebob said happily. Buzz, replied the jellyfish as they closed the hive. The young jellyfish flew into the hive and Spongebob gave it a tiny wave. Greetings, comrades, he said with a smile. The jellyfish hovered, surrounding the new inhabitant of the hive. Whispered up, squeezed inside the chamber, and the home was very quiet, too quiet. From outside the hive, all was quiet, till days of bright light flashes stood in from an end, London snapping crackle on the electricity. Scorched, slap, stark. I began to vibrate, jiggling back and forth. Faster and faster the hive shook until Spongebobb's head popped out of the entrance. Ah! He screamed. His jellyfish stunned him over and over. Zap, scorched, dark. Give way! Spongebob yelled, pulling. The free of the hive. Falling to the ground and racing away. The swimming jellyfish buzzed at his heels. Things went up over and over. Enough left his arms and tried to shoot the creatures away. They zapped and stung every part of his spongy yellow body. Ow, ow, ouch, ooh, ow, ooh. Enough cried out each new sting. He ran for the bordered fields, away from the painful stings, away from the mean jellyfish, and away from the life he imagined for himself. With his skin on fire from the stinging tentacles of the jellyfish and from the even more painful sting of rejection, I never then passed the caution jellyfish field sign and never looked back. Chapter 8. The deep blue at night arrived on the ocean floor. And the giants run down from the mist, horde of jellyfish and giving out the chase. Exhausted and disappointed by the day's events, Spongebob had found refuge in a whole dank cave. Now he was alone, sitting on the wall of his new home, a sponge without a country. Gee, the jellyfish was fun, Spongebob. Said in a defeated whisper, buzz, 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 buzz. Spongebob looked down himself. His side body was rippled. Red whales dropping leftovers on the multiple stains. What had he learned today? One thing, never ever eat jellyfish jelly out of the hive, Spongebob declared. His teeth started to cry from the cool of the night. A chill went down his back. Gloom of the cave had settled into his bones and began to shiver. Spongebob peeled off a sheet of moss on a nearby wall and spread it over his body like a blanket. He went down flat on his back and stared up at the roof of the cave. However, the musty blanket was too short and kept falling up like a broken window shade. His pulsing ankles still cold. Try as he might, Spongebob could not get comfortable. Try using a rock spell, and it gave him a headache. Spongebob sighed. He missed nice slough padded back in his pineapple home in the game bottom. He closed his eyes and dreamed the home. Then his back began to itch. Spongebob popped up into the same position and scratched with both hands. Hey, ooh, I'm itchy! I'm itchy! He cried, why am I so itchy? Spongebob pulled back his blanket to reveal dozens of tiny orange blood like creatures crawling on his back. Plus the sea urchin spun out gas. Ah! Leaning to his feet, Spongebob tried to push the invaders away. But they were too stubborn to move. Helped his back against the static tip. But the urchin still held fast. In panic, he ran from the cave and threw himself down on the soft sand ocean floor, making on his stomach and face like an inchworm. Itch. Ah! Itch! Ow! Ow! Itch! The weight of the sand was in the hole of the clean craters and gave Spongebob some quick relief. Unfortunately, now his skin ached from the dry stings and from the bites of the tiny urchins. Spongebob stood up and on his head and saying, "What's he going to do? Where was he going to go?" But now he picked the direction and looked away from the unknown towards the familiar. Up in the distance, you could see the skyline begin fighting. So he passed the city limit sign, and then gave a gleeful buzz, which seemed to be Dreyfus, seemed silly now as he was, and the starry streets of his hometown. It was a library in oceanography. The salty snail disc going off the corner of Finn Lane and Bill Street, the Cusca restaurant. A glow sign on the front doors. Spongebob stepped up to the darkened windows and peered inside. Pressed his face to the glass and squinted at the empty tables, stacked menus, and bar leftover crepe sitting on the counter. Spongobob's tongue rolled out of his mouth. He licked the glass in frustration. Happy days, he muttered. More dejected than ever, without continuing on his own lock, he passed Ginny's tree dome. Like a crushed grab, the squirrel's home was also dark. Sandy went up south. Oh, Sandy! Spongebob kept walking, his feet taking him towards his own street by habit. There was Patrick's Rock, and next door, Scrivet's two-story tiki house. How'd you go, friend? Spongebob sighed. Buddy, Scrivet, buddy, old pal. And finally arrived before the last house on the lane. Straight owns Pineapple Palace. Spongebob stood at its front door. What have I done, he wails? I had a great life and friends, and now he gave it all that up. Still, since he was here, let's take a little peek. Spongebob carefully swung open the door and hid inside the darkened room. Chapter 9. Surprise! Spongebob staggered back in shock as little cry of voices interrupted from within his living room. Eyes popped on. Memory for him were all of his friends. Suddenly, Patrick blew on noisemakers. Patrick waved from Pennant. Amos girl wore a purple party hat. Spongebob gazed at the sight. The living room was festooned with colorful streamers and a large "Welcome Home" Spongebob lantern. And sun from the ceiling furniture. Hundred cookies and a stack of hot curry pies waiting on the table. About time you showed up, Mr. Krabs called. I knew you couldn't resist the civilized world. Spongebob stepped into the room. You guys are the best, he said, his voice crackling with joy. I made a huge mistake and please forgive me. I can't get butter aching. I never got paid. Scrap said, ugh. Don't mind if I do, SpongeBob replied, taking a big bite and delivering the paper. I got I beat out a mouthful of seaweed anytime. Scraps reached into his pocket and removed the official Cluster Care captain's hat. And I'll see you. Right. Tomorrow morning, he said, as he placed Mikey and SpongeBob. Enough snapped off into a crisp salute. Aye, aye, Captain, he said, between bites. Enough stepped up. When he handed over SpongeBob discarded a pair of brown square pants. SpongeBob, he said, do us all a favor and put these back on. With pleasure. SpongeBob replied, taking the pants, squeezing its lower body, and then with a loud snap. I know. Felt as if sorry for food his friends suspense. It was not too much for him to take. I'm so happy, SpongeBob said, lunging forward and wrapping his arms around Squidward. I cannot contain myself. Squidward clenched his eyes shut in discomfort from the surprise hug and gave SpongeBob to let go. Then took his past 20. Okay. That's enough, Squidward said, trying to think himself. Well, unfortunately, it's weird. Let's go out. Stanley and Patrick all wrapped their arms around SpongeBob for a big group hug. Even Gary came out of the shell. Ah! Couldn't breathe. Eek! Squidward had, hoping no one brought the camera. Meow, Gary said. Could we please stop doing this, Squidward begged. I'm allergic to affection. Sarah's request was when his group let go all at once. Everyone but SpongeBob were light-eyed discomfort. Lane service glances. Still, no one spoke until Patrick cried out, Patrick, Itchy! Unhealed again to frankly scratch their bodies with both hands. When that didn't help, they fell to the floor and began to make each in a circle. Their bodies jogging along like a train of runaway inchworms. One else in the middle of the circle, looking down at his friends, and the eye around his own surprise to the party. Face beamed with contentment. It's glad to be home. And that's SpongeBob's Nature Pints. Next week we are looking at the next book, which is The Last Episode. So we'll see you guys then. Goodbye.